Hi everyone, this is Tina from ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how we make shrimp and snow pea stir fry at my house. First, let's gather our ingredients. You're going to need 1 pound of shrimp peeled and deveined, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine, ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil separated, 4 garlic cloves minced, or as many garlics as you like, ½ pound of snow peas, and salt to taste. Now let's cook. Before we cook the shrimp, in a large bowl marinate the shrimp with cornstarch, rice cooking wine, and salt for about 15 minutes. Then in a cooking pan, add a tablespoon of cooking oil and the shrimp in one layer. Let it cook for about a minute and then flip to the other side and allow it to cook another minute. And then remove from heat and set aside. Back in the cooking pan, add another tablespoon of oil. Then add snow peas. I bought the pre-wash package of snow peas, so I just dump it right in. Stir fry the snow peas and then add the minced garlic. You want to stir fry until the snow peas reach your desired tenderness. Some like it very crunchy and some like it more soft. For me, it's right in the middle, maybe a little more on the crunchy side too. I pretty much know when to stop stir frying the snow peas when the snow peas are a vibrant green. Now we're gonna add the shrimp back into the pan and we're gonna stir fry the shrimp and snow peas together for about a minute. Add salt to taste. I usually end up adding garlic salt because I love garlic so much. Now just make sure to mix everything together and then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make shrimp and snow pea stir fry. Remember to like and subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.